Thank you very much. I give a shout out to our boy Carlo up in that Stargate. I'm cold here. I bet he is colder up there.
Dude, Allie Askew doesn't have any other sports or interests. Skiing is her life.
It's a good life, I'll tell you what.
Very addictive.
What a rock.
Parents, watch out for your kids. This skiing can be real addictive. Lead you into some bad choices in life.
Pink pants.
Smells of corruption.
Mamba clot, no big deal.
So recreates.
Smoothing it out, Allie Askew.
Taking the direct route to the bottom of this. Yes.
Nice.
Hiya!
Oh, I like that.
Boom.
I
big
like
air.
that.
Oh, it's like a hair, a little flat.
Nice.
There's
Allie Askew.
Bring her on in, Snowbird. Allie Askew.